Hit it from the back, watch a nigga bless you, bless you.
If your metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Crying.
Hey, what's going on everyone? This is iPhone Nip back with the new video. Today on this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from your iPhone, iPad, iPod easily to your Windows computer. It's really close to the airdrop. You don't need to download any software. So further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, just open your computer, go to a browser, and you can use any browser. Type snapdrop.net. Okay, and once you open this, you will see like this. Now go to your phone and open any browser. So I'm gonna use Safari, and same thing in a Safari we're gonna be typing same thing, snapdrop.net. You click go, and now you can see it's like a airdrop basically. So now here on your you can click on the computer icon and you can choose any photo, file, or anything. So for me, I'm gonna choose photos. So I'm gonna choose one photo, and boom, as you can see, it says now you can save. There you go. It's literally easy to. And I'm gonna choose the video, and click add, and boom, as you can see, it's here. You can just click save and it will be saved in your computer, guys. So basically it's really easy to transfer. So you can transfer from your computer to your phone too. So you can use from your computer, you can transfer too. It's a simple method. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and hit that bell icon, so every time I upload a new video you will get a notification, guys. So, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. As usual, I will catch you in next video, guys. Peace.